Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll use our meditation practice to build mindfulness around expectations we have toward ourselves and others. Begin by finding a comfortable position. Allow your back to lengthen gently. Let your eyes settle and softly close. Open your chest so that your breath can flow in and out with ease. Let your face soften. Smooth out your forehead and relax your jaw. Now take a few slow, deep breaths. Allow your body to receive your inhales and exhales. Feel your lungs expand fully with your inhale. Your ribs releasing and softening with your exhale. Now let your breath return to an easy rhythm. And tune into the natural rise and fall of your chest. Notice your chest expanding and rising as you breathe in. Notice your chest settle and surrender as you breathe out. And stay open to the sensations of your breath in your chest. Watch any tendency to expect your breath to feel a certain way. Consciously drop preconceived ideas of how it should feel, and instead stay present and curious to whatever arises. And if you catch your mind wandering off into thought, gently guide your attention back to your breath. There might be judgments that arise. You might notice a desire for your practice to feel a certain way. Perhaps you'll meet an expectation that your meditation should produce a specific outcome. Instead, be present with your experience just as it is. Notice what it's like to just sit silently, watching your breath, noticing your experience. Now, gently let your attention soften. Some days we sit down to meditate and it feels easy and calm. Other days, we struggle to get through one single breath without distractions. It's no wonder we have some expectations around what our practice should feel like. But really, feeling calm isn't a mark of success. Our true work with meditations is to allow space and time to feel whatever it is we are feeling. And in doing so, we just might create a little ease and calm as a side effect. And this is much the same in our lives off the meditation cushion. We go through our days imagining who we should be or how we want things to turn out. And this prevents us from truly being present to what is happening in the moment. Imagine that your significant other brings you flowers for your birthday, but they're not the right kind. Rather than enjoying the gesture and gift, you miss out on the beauty because you're caught up in disappointment. Unfulfilled expectations around ourselves or others leave us feeling unhappy, like we are missing out on life. It's impossible not to have expectations, but the good news is that they're just like thoughts. They come up and then they dissipate. So we can use the wisdom we gain through meditation to stop them in their tracks. We can learn to recognize them, to observe and acknowledge them, and then to challenge their hold on us, just like we watch distractions arise and we let them go. We can watch an expectation arise and let it go too. When we release expectations, we learn to enjoy situations and people just as they are, rather than how we think they should be. Gently come back to your breath once more. Take a deep, cleansing inhale and exhale. And when you're ready, begin to move your fingers and toes and gently open your eyes. I hope you've enjoyed today's meditation. Have a beautiful day, and we'll see you again soon.